Let's make some natural homemade cough syrup using honey and garlic and honey. It's a flu season, and certainly we want to ensure that our immune system is strong and ready to fight off all the many viruses that will be coming our way. And this is one way in which we can do that. So let's get into it. So we're going to strip. I've washed them already. We're going to strip these, okay? So I've peeled, washed. I'm using 6 cloves of garlic and 2 onions. So first let's cut this up. Where's my knife? Okay. My old knife. You know, it's funny, I'm that kind of person. I said I need new knives because this was a bad idea buying these colored things, so they strip. And I do have the new knives, but I still use this. I'm just like that. Anyways, let's get onto this. So I'm going to slice these in rings. A little smaller. Doesn't matter how you cut them up.
And
it's not bad to cut up the onion. Yes, it burns your eyes a bit, but it also clears your sinuses, you know, so you're getting some benefit from that. Onions are loaded with antioxidant, and they're good for clearing cold and flu. They loosen congestion, and they overall boost the immune system. So this is one reason I like to use it. You know, I don't give my children store-bought cough syrup, so I just make my own, and it has been working. So I'm gonna dice them. Oops, I think this jar is too small. This is just one, and I want to use 2. So let me get a bigger jar. So I'm gonna use this. So let's pour this in. And this is just 1 onion. I'm going to cut up another one.
a trick about onions, if you put a fork in it, you may not have an onion peel.
So that helps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I haven't tested it.
That's what you heard?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll test it. But it's not bad. It actually clears up your sinuses. So
try it with you just today.
And this is what I get with 2 large onions. So next I'm gonna press the garlic. Usually you could just put them in like this, but I want to cut them up a little smaller.
Yay, no more onions to hurt my eyes.
And then I'm going to add them to the jar. So now I'm going to add the honey. You know what? Maybe I should take the cover off. Just make it quicker.
Oh, that looks good. Mommy, that looks good already, okay?
Okay. So, honey is very good for cough. It's a natural suppressant. And garlic is considered a natural antibiotic. It is good for, you know, fevers, for whooping cough, bronchitis, and it's like a natural decongestant. So it also clears and kills infection. So do not be afraid because of the strong smell of these things to not incorporate them in your daily diet. You know, they're beneficial. So now that I'm finished, I'm just gonna cover this and leave it on the counter for like 24 hours to allow it to sweat. So once the onion sweat, it seeps its juice and it mixes with the honey, and then I will have a nice remedy in 24 hours.
24 hours?
Also, you know, we have the natural remedies. You know, the Lord says, I have given you the herbs, and you know, these things are for our healing, but do practice good hygiene, like washing your hands. And if you know someone has a cold, try to have your children keep their distance. I know it's hard sometimes, and one way of staying on top of this too is to ensure that even when your children are not, you know, having sniffles, you could give them a little every day because it's the flu season. So I hope that this remedy will help you. It has been helping my family. And remember to eat well, stay well, be well. God bless.